Q37 underway. CC Shambach trying to get back to the blue or to the neutral zone, then into their side of the field. Unfortunately, not quite making it all the way back, getting stuck on that bump. Cheesy boost for the Red Alliance, grabbing fuel into the neutral zone, back to their side of the field, launching lots of it at the same time. Blue Alliance side strike zone, grabbing fuel, making their way into the neutral zone and back a couple times. Blue Alliance going to start off with an 8-point lead into this transition period, but Red Alliance not going to let that fly, continuing to score as much as they can. CC Shambots, their autonomous didn't go quite the way they wanted to, but it gives them the opportunity to catch back up and show what they can do. They continue to grab that robot full, fill it with fuel, and line it up to toss. 270 points already scored by this Red Alliance. Blue Alliance, though, 3 seconds, and they are going to tell us what they have to say regarding these points. Strike zone lined up, degrees of freedom going to line up and start tossing fuel as well. They have quite a lead to catch up to in their 12 seconds of their active hub time. CC Shambot's collision in with a Blue Alliance. Looks like strike zone over that bump. They're able to make their separate ways and continue on, but Red Hub is now going to be active. Lots and lots of fuel going up from these teams. They are just not hesitating. All three of these Red Alliance teams currently ranked within our top 10. Only 37 qualification matches in, but those matches and those ranking points can still say a lot. Red Alliance now over the threshold for both ranking point bonuses. Blue Alliance going to take an active hub turn. Degrees of freedom lining themselves up, strike zone on their way as well. Some of this fuel bouncing off the front of the hub. We're getting to this 30-second mark, and Red Alliance is getting themselves locked, loaded, and ready. And there it goes. 30 seconds now remaining in the match, and all sorts of fuel is coming up from these Red Alliance members. Now over 600 points. CC Shambows adding, Cheesy Poops adding, Binary Battalion helping other teammates shuffle this fuel back and forth. We're going to break 700 points by this Red Alliance. We still have 10 seconds in the match, and there is a high